Hey guys, it's Farmer Q. I know it's been a while. A lot has happened and we're into new phases and new things, but I'm going to start being more regular with you guys. And to start it off, we got a sweet potato harvest. Specifically, we got Okinawan Sweet Potatoes we'll be harvesting today, me and my lovely wife. We're going to just be getting right to it. We're going to just dig into it and see what we got. It'd be really nice to just harvest some really big sweet potatoes.
He's making me work for my sweet potatoes.
So what we'll be doing is just kind of pulling this stuff up. We'll be saving the plant matter because I'll be making liquid fertilizer out of this stuff. So we'll be saving all these leaves over here. We'll just throw them over here to the side for now. And yeah, super healthy. I'll be starting off by kind of coming in here and seeing what we got. Oh, here's one.
Oh, nice.
Oh, here's another one. Oh yeah, we're just kind of, I guess they kind of just came from the bottom here. But nice and full and strong. So this is what we're working with. We'll do like a little cut inside later and kind of just show what we're working with. Just roll this in the paper and focus on the ground a little bit. That's okay. Wow, look at that. Yeah, like you see that beautiful purple color? That's the Okinawan sweet potato. It's white on the outside, it's nice and purple on the inside. Yeah, here's one.
I want to find it.
You sound like the kid on the video that was crying when I was watching the video. His parent, his brother found one. He's like, I want to find one. You want to pull this one up?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna just basically take this and we're gonna remineralize the soil. We're gonna basically make sure it's all good to go and everything. And if we plant sweet potatoes next year, it's gonna be isolated, so we can reuse the soil a little bit easier. But no worries about any of this. This is all good stuff. And I'm gonna take this over here and I'm gonna add it to my liquid fertilizer that I'm in the process of making right now. And it is going to be awesome. I'm excited. So we got some literal roots right here. This is gonna be a literal sugar source for the fertilizer and everything. So this is awesome. All right guys, that does it for the sweet potato harvest today. Hope you had an awesome time with us on our sweet potato harvest and look forward to seeing you next time.